Hey, and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to make an amazing grilled cheese sandwich wrapped in bacon. When it comes to comfort food, a great grilled cheese might just be the ultimate meal. But how do you make the perfect sandwich? Personally, I love cheese and bacon. So I am going for the trifecta of the most savory, flavorful, and extra gooey cheeses, all wrapped in bacon. Let me show you how to do it. There's no single right way to make an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Use whatever you like and make it your own. I used my favorite bread, bacon to wrap the sandwich, and concentrated on an amazing cheesy trio. Gruyere for the rich, decadent creaminess, vintage cheddar for the complex and savory cheese flavor, and hedged chili Gouda for that extra kick from the chili and sharpness that the Gouda has to offer. I'm grilling the grilled cheese sandwich low and slow so that it can absorb all those delicious charcoal flavors. I set the grill to cook indirectly at 250 degrees. The total cooking time is about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your bacon. All right, you guys, it's absolutely amazing. The smell is out of this world. The bacon, grease dripping, the cheesiness, it's absolutely amazing. I took a couple of pictures, to let the cheese cool down a little bit so I can actually bite into it. So let's have a look. Look at this. Look at this. It cooled down a little bit already. So I have two wraps here today. One is the smokestack barbecue wrap from Gentry's Barbecue. This one is a little bit more spicy. So let's try this one first. Wow. The cheese is amazing. Super gooey, super creamy. Really good. And obviously the bacon. Bacon is bacon, right? It's absolutely amazing. And the wrap is it's great. It's like really spicy. I would say it's full of flavor. Like very spicy. Really adds to to the sandwich because the cheese is a bit lacking in flavor. It's just creamy and rich. The bacon is awesome, but that wrap really kind of makes a pop, makes the whole sandwich takes it to the next level. It's awesome. Let's see the other one. So this rub is interesting. It's called ham bone barbecue seasoning, and this is really sort of like more like a festive rub, like a like Christmassy, Thanksgiving. This rub has cinnamon, it has allspice, ginger, and so you can really smell that. When we put that on the grill, I was like, oh my god, it smells so delicious. It's amazing. So I can't wait to try this out. Let's have a bite. This goes really well with the cheese and the bacon. Really good. A little bit sweet and full of that like Christmassy, holiday spice. Really good, really good. Look, oh my god, look how the bacon like caramelized. Really nice crust. It's amazing. Wonderful. Really, really good. Well, guys, I hope you like this grilled cheese video that we did today. And if you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And see you next week. Thank you so much.